Welcome to Market Masterclass. Today's session we're going to be talking about investment assets. We're going to focus on one today, but overall there's going to be a series of 9 in this program, and that includes stocks, bonds, cash equivalents, alternative investments, commodities, options, forex, real estate, and today, number 9, annuities. Now, annuities are essentially a way of getting a future permanent income from having built up or invested an initial lump sum over a set period. Most people relate this to retirement income, and therefore normally people in their 40s starting to plan ahead for their 60th birthday or later, they can know that they're going to have a regular income coming in. Now, this can be a fixed income, it can be a variable income, or it can be a combination of both, or it could be even indexed depending on the movement of the inflation rate. The companies that do this are some of the big boys I mentioned: Fidelity, Schwab, T. Rowe Price. These are the big boys. A lot of the insurance companies are into this because you can also, with your annuity, attach a death benefit. If there's a spouse involved, you can also, the income can be transferred to the spouse on the demise of the individual, so it can be a joint life structure. You can have the income guaranteed. It can be a set fixed amount. As I said, you can add a death benefit or a terminal illness benefit. If you get particularly sick for the terminal illness, they will pay it out early to cover all the necessary expenses from your medical expenses there. Very important to remember, when you're making this type of commitment, you have to be quite clear that if you're making a commitment to take an income in 20 years' time, you don't want to come out early, because there are early surrender fees on these type of contracts, and they can be as much as 10%. So you have to be very clear with yourself that you are investing for a set period, and then you receive that income on an ongoing basis. So that's essentially the basics of annuities, and I hope that's been of some use to you, of some interest. And the other investment asset types we'll be talking about at a later date. Thank you for joining us today, and goodbye for now.